Today we will cover blocks and how to use it. Let's get started. Firstly, why using blocks? Blocks is a set of codes that will run as the same without using blocks, so why using them? The answer is simple. Blocks make it much easier when we want to use redirection. So instead of redirect each command in the script in a file one by one, we can put all of them in one block, then redirect the block itself to a file. Look at the following example. Blocks does not stop here. We can read input from file and store it in a variable using read inside it like the following. This was all about blocks. Hope you enjoyed.